Today I'm Mariana Bernardo and we're going back to the history, which is in the history of bartending. We have a couple of questions here. So the first one is, how do you think the history of bartending affected our present situation? Second is, who is the first bartender in the world? Third is, which countries are pretty active in bartending? And the last one is, what is the purpose of bartending in society? Question number 1. How do you think the history of bartending affected our present situation? The history of bartending has shaped our present in a few key ways. First one is cultural changes. So in bartending used to be casual, but now it's a skilled profession, showing how our entertainment habits have changed. Number 2 is creative drinks. Bartenders today create a unique cocktails, making bartending more of an art and boosting its popularity. Number 3. Better standards. With established guidelines and training, bartending is more professional, leading to better service and quality. Number 4 is impact of events. So events like prohibition influence drinking cultures, affecting how and what we drink today. 5 is global trends. Bartending styles and recipes from around the world mix together, creating a diverse and interesting drinking experience. Question number 2. Who is the first bartender in the world? So, the first bartender in the world is Jeremiah P. Thomas. He was born on October 30, 1830 to December 15, 1885. He was an American bartender who ran bars in New York City. He is known as the father of American mixology. For helping to popularize cocktails in the US, he wrote an important book on cocktails called The Bartender's Guide and was known for his creative and entertaining way of making drinks. Because of this, people often called him Professor Jerry Thomas. Question number 3. Which countries are pretty active in bartending? Countries known for their active bartending scenes include America, United Kingdom, Spain, Brazil, Australia, and Japan. In United States, particularly in cities like New York, Los Angeles, and Chicago, known for their vibrant cocktail culture. In United Kingdom, particularly in London, has a thriving bar scene with a strong focus on classic cocktails and innovative mixology. So in Spain, particularly in Barcelona and Madrid, are famous for their dynamic bar culture and tapas bars. So in Brazil, Rio de Janeiro and Sao Paulo are known for their lively bar scenes and unique cocktails like the caipirinha. In Australia, Sydney and Melbourne have a growing reputation for creative cocktails and a strong focus on quality ingredients. The last is Japan. Tokyo is renowned for its meticulous and artful approach to cocktails. Question number 4. What is the purpose of bartending in society? Bartending plays an important role in society by creating places where people can gather and enjoy themselves. Bartenders mix and serve drinks, which helps make social events and gatherings more enjoyable. They also provide a space where people can relax, chat, and connect with others. Besides making drinks, bartenders often interact with customers, listen to their stories, and create a welcoming atmosphere. This makes bars and restaurants important social hubs where people can unwind and have a good time. That's all about the history of bartending. Thank you so much for watching.